Hi, I'm super happy to show you my new sex toy. Her name is Aurora, and I'm so happy to open that. Wow, look at that. It's the Bad Peach brand. This box is super pretty. It looks so luxury. Okay, let's open. So here we have USB charger and a bag with Aurora inside and the super instructions, quick start. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love the color. It's super intense. So here we change this movement, and here we change the vibration, the high vibration. Have difference. And more. In that, just you need use soup and water. So girls and boys, let's go fun with that. And thank you for seeing this video. See ya.